DIYs. I'm into the second coat now. I've just been away to have some lunch and I went and got a haircut as well. Now I'm back. I've had the fan on all this time. Everything's nice and dry. Is that my second coat? The second coat just gets all the little pinholes, like see there's a pinhole there and another one there. The second coat just blitzes it. So you do your normal thing, you brush it, and then you use your roller. So tomorrow I'll lay my floor, so I'll call into the tile shop, pick up some glue. I need to pick up some angle because I'll be making a water stop across here at the edge of my shower and across there at the doorway. If any water got out, it would be stopped by that water stop, but it won't get past this at the shower. Your water stop is explaining a water stop. A water stop is a piece of aluminium that is below the top of your tile, so it stops any water, but you can't see it. It just looks like a grout line. Depending on my set out, and I'll be showing you that in my next video tomorrow morning, I will be centralizing everything, so I'll have a center line. So I'll have equal cut either side and equal cut front and back. But I would like to, I don't really want a double cut here, because here where the screen goes, you break its back, the tile, so it's flat there and it's sloping away there. I'd like that to actually be a grout line, but I'll work it out tomorrow and I'll show you. So doing it that way, what I was just talking about, it may not be an equal cut either side. It doesn't really matter, because as long as it's sort of a decent cut, the vanity's there. You know, you don't have to have an equal cut at that end, same as that end. But it is nice when you walk in that you're seeing an equal cut there and there. End of story. I'll show you tomorrow what I mean. This afternoon I'll pick up some glue. I'll pick up the aluminium for my water stop. The second coat is always nice because it just even looks nice. It's nice to apply. It's got guts. When you do the second coat, it looks like it's got guts. A bit of depth. Da, 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 da. I don't think I'd ever like being stuck in an office. I enjoy what I do, being a tiler. I love creating. I love the pleasure of giving pleasure to people and seeing their face when they're blown away with a lovely bathroom. It's satisfying. I reckon it is very satisfying being a tradesman. For years, a tradesman was sort of seemed like a second-class citizen, but not anymore. They do very well. Thank you very much. And I reckon less and less are being taught because the young ones these days, they want to go on the computer. You know, like my grandson. Oh, get real, Pop. I don't want to be a tradesman. Get a life. Okay. I reckon, being a tradesman is a fulfilling life. You're giving to someone that you've done with your hands. That you've created. And this, what we're doing now, is a creation. Anyway, I'll sign off. I won't carry on burbling on about other stuff. I'm here to teach you, and that's what I want to do. DIYs. So I'll sign off and I'll see you on the flip side. Ciao.